How you guys doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety, strobe lighting, and equipment for cars, vans, buses, tricycles, and everything in between, like this pair of brand new 2022 Ford Escapes. Now, we did this build in great detail. I'm going to link to that. So I'm not going to go into a huge amount of detail on this particular one. Just wanted to let you guys know we're doing some more of these Escapes. Now, this particular set was a hybrid. So there's a little detail because it was a hybrid. There's no battery under the hood. No big deal. There's a positive jump start post where you can get your power very nearest the battery, and the ground is in the same spot as the ground in the video. So the other previous video has all the information about this build. It's a 4-head Wicked stick. It's 2 Lin 6s in the front grille. It's real easy to put in, real simple install. Just happen to have a 2 for Tuesday here with 2 brand new vehicles, so I wanted to show them to you and let you guys know that even though this is a hybrid vehicle, battery powered, we have no issues with our lighting. As you can see, we're able to install it, hooks up right underneath the hood with a fuse kit, runs on a 5-amp fuse, draws about 2.5 amps of power per vehicle when they're running. So a simple low power draw, adequate warning system for this particular client. It happens to be civil engineering, but this will work for your application as well. If you wanted to change up the front color to an amber white, we'd simply upgrade to a Lin 8 light in the front. And if you needed all amber, you can certainly set up that Wicked stick in the back window to flash all amber if you prefer. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment packages, just like you see here on these 2022 Ford Escapes.